Hello all, welcome to Satpute Academy. Today we are going to discuss pointers in C. In fact, this will be a lecture series on pointers in C. So this will be introductory lecture. Here we'll have introduction to pointers. So let us say we have this function, main function, void main, and I have this statement int a is equal to 10. So this statement tells compiler three things. The first thing is allocate memory for storing an integer value. Second, associate a name A with that memory. Third thing is assign value 10 value or store value 10 there. So this statement tells these three things to the compiler. Now let's say I have one more variable, int star b. What is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is b is a variable and this star makes it a pointer variable. B is a pointer variable of type integer. That means b is a variable which can store address of another variable which is of integer type. So b can hold an address of another variable which is of integer type. That's the meaning of this statement, right? So that means b is integer type pointer. So I can store address of integer type variable in b. So let us see the memory allocation for this. So for this, compiler will allocate 2 bytes. Memory is byte addressable. Every byte has address. So 2 contiguous bytes will be allocated. Let's say starting from 1000 to 1001. Actual memory addresses will be different from this, but for simplicity I have taken small integers. And these 2 bytes will be named as A. And there we'll store 10, right? So because of this statement this will happen, and a compiler will also allocate memory for b, right? Let's say memory allocation for b is like this, from 3000 to 3001. And in b, what will we store? Let's say we'll store address of a. I can retrieve address of a by using ampersand or AND operator, and a. So this AND operator will give me address of a, right? So address of a is assigned to b. That is, now a has 2 addresses. Out of these 2 addresses, always the starting address is stored. Starting address is 1000. So b stores 1000. Now let's print the values of a's and b. Printf. Let's first print the address. Address of a is %u and a. So now let's printf again address of a is %u. This time I'm going to use b, value of b. Value of b is also address of a, and address of a will also return me 1000. Value of b will also return me 1000. So these both statements will print. If I write output here, this is output. So here the first statement will print address of A, which is 1000. Second statement will print value of B, which is 1000. Now let's print the value of A. Printf value of A is %d for integer A. So this statement will print this 10. Right. So printf value of A is %d. Now I'm going to use pointer star B. Right. Now the meaning of star here is value at address in B. Right? Value stored at address which is there in B. What is the address in B? In B we have 1000. So what is the value at 1000? I have 10. So this will be printed. So 10 will be printed. Right? So that's the simple program. I hope you understood the concepts of pointers, basic concept. So B is a pointer of integer type. So B is storing address of A. Right? So let us see the program for this. So this is the program which I already wrote. So let me execute this program. You see, address of A is, let me show you. You see, this first statement will print address of A. We'll get this address, which is the memory address, first bytes address. Now, second statement will also print address of A, because value of B is address of A. We have assigned address of A to B. Right? Third statement will print the value of A, that is 10. And this statement will also print value of A by using pointer B. Right? So the idea is, when I have a pointer, it's a variable which can store address of another variable. So I hope this video will help you. So thanks for watching.